Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how to sell Robinhood stocks. So in order to sell stocks on Robinhood, all you need to do is first of all log in. So enter in your credential. So once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. Here tap the profile icon located right at the bottom. Now this is going to take you to the stocks detail page. Here you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to sell, either your EFTs, options, or crypto. So I'm going to go with stocks, and on the search box type in the particular asset that you wish to sell. So go ahead and type in the one. Once you locate the particular asset, now you need to go through all of these. It's going to take you to the stock detail page here. So you need to go ahead and select the trade button. So in order to sell stocks, you need to make sure that you have enough coins. Only then you'll be able to sell. Along with that, you also need a verified account. Unless and until if you don't have a verified account, you won't be able to trade on Robinhood. So once you've done that, tap the trade button located right at the bottom. After that, you need to go ahead and select the sell button, and by default you'll be asked to enter the exact amount you'd like to sell in dollars. After that, you need to review your orders and confirm that your all details are correct, or if the information seems to be invalid, then select edit button and make some changes. After that, if it all looks good, swipe up to submit your order, and you need to confirm it by entering the passcode or entering the password, and then you'll be notified with the statement stating that you've successfully sold Robinhood stocks. And within a couple of days later, the amount will be added to your bank account, or it's going to be added to your Robinhood balance. That's basically how you can sell stocks on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.